Which states have financial responsibility laws? Have you ever wondered how the law ensures that drivers can cover the costs of accidents? Financial responsibility laws are in place to make sure that drivers can pay for damages or injuries they may cause. Every state in the United States has these laws, but the specifics can vary. Let's break it down. Financial responsibility laws requiring drivers to show they can pay for costs resulting from car accidents. This is usually done through mandatory car insurance, but there are alternatives. Most states requiring drivers to have minimum liability insurance coverage. This coverage helps pay for bodily injury and property damage if the driver is at fault in an accident. For example, many states set minimum liability coverage limits. A common requirement is $25,000 for bodily injury per person, $50,000 for bodily injury per accident, and $25,000 for property damage. Some states may also requiring additional coverages like personal injury protection or uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. However, there are exceptions. New Hampshire does not requiring drivers to have car insurance. Instead, drivers must prove financial responsibility through other means. This could include posting a bond or paying an uninsured motor vehicle fee. They must show they can cover damages if they cause an accident. Virginia also offers alternatives to traditional insurance. Drivers can choose to use financial responsibility bonds instead of standard insurance policies. Most states operate under an at-fault system. This means the driver who is responsible for the accident must cover damages through their liability insurance. However, some states have no-fault systems. In these states, drivers file claims with their own insurance regardless of who caused the accident. Still, they must carry minimum insurance coverage as proof of financial responsibility. In summary, financial responsibility laws exist in every state. They are generally enforced by requiring minimum car insurance coverage or alternative proof of financial ability to cover accident-related costs. This legal framework protects all drivers by ensuring that victims of accidents can receive compensation without causing severe financial hardship to the at-fault driver. Understanding your state's specific financial responsibility requirements is essential to remain compliant and adequately protected.